Today we're going to be talking about 4 new Lepai amplifiers that are really cool for the features they each have. I'm going to walk you through each one, so let's get started. This is the Lepai LP-275S. Looking for an amplifier that is compact yet powerful enough to meet your audio needs? Look no further than this amp right here. This mini 150-watt Bluetooth 5.1 stereo hi-fi amplifier is designed to be small enough for your dorm or bedroom, yet it packs enough punch to fill a large conference room or accompany your large bookshelf speakers. Next up, this is the Lepai LP-225. Who says great sound is impossible out of a mini amplifier that fits in the palm of your hand? This Lepai amp cranks up to 25 watts per channel and has bass and treble controls to customize the sound to your liking. Bluetooth 5.0 makes it even better, giving you the freedom of wireless connection. You can also connect with 3.5mm, but regardless of which input you use, there is a preamp out to get extreme bass when needed. Mount and wire the LP-225 to any 12-volt DC source permanently, or add optional accessories to plug it in or out with multiple power sources. After that, this is the Lepai LWP-250. Lepai has once again exceeded expectations with their latest offering, a remarkable Bluetooth 5.0 mini IP67 waterproof amplifier. This compact marvel is so small that it can be mounted practically anywhere you can imagine, from motorcycles to golf carts, ATVs to boats, and even backyard pool areas or porches. The sound quality delivered by this amplifier is truly astonishing given its size. Lastly, this is the Lepai LP-225 and it's the perfect solution for all your small amp or receiver needs. With its impressive range of features, including Bluetooth and media player, line input, and FM radio, it has everything you need to enhance your audio experience. Whether you prefer manual sound adjustments or the convenience of the IR wireless remote, this device has got you covered. With its powerful output, it can easily fill a room with rich and immersive sound. Plus, its 12-volt DC power input and mounting tabs make it versatile for use in vehicles or around the house. And with the included AC adapter, you can enjoy its benefits wherever you go. Upgrade your audio setup with the LP-225 and take your listening experience to the next level. You can find all these great Lepai amps and so much more on PartsExpress.com.